Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're coming across this video for the first time, my name is Jumai Idris. I'm a practicing biomedical scientist working currently in the United Kingdom. I got my job directly from Nigeria to the UK. How to practice as a medical laboratory scientist, how to migrate as a medical laboratory technologist / technician or scientist to Canada. That is what we'll be talking about today on this video. Trust me, you don't want to miss any part of it. You have to watch this video to the end, because one way or the other in between, the information will be there. So you have to watch this video to the end. Before we go right into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, share, comment in the comment section. Please, let this family grow. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I said earlier on, we're going to Canada today. How to migrate to Canada as a medical laboratory scientist or technologist. Is it technologist they call it over there? I think so. Technologist, technician. How to get assessed and everything, the process. That's what we're talking about. So first thing first you need to know is that you have to have a bachelor's degree or a degree that is equivalent or relevant to the profession. I always say that. Then another thing that you need to do at the back of your mind is being in good standing with council. It's not. I'm sorry, guys. I need to laugh because I know what people are going through, but you need to. It's not of it that say, I beg, you need to be in good standing with them. Told you now. Sorry, my eyes can be tearing when I laugh a lot. So you need to be in good standing with council back home. Or I don't know if they call it council, but in Nigeria we call it council. In your home country, you have to be in good standing with them. So before that, then for the process, you need to get your document assessed. You need to get your document assessed. I think for your document assessment, West assess the educational documents. They assess it, and they also, you need to write your English proficiency exam. You need to do that. And for the process of Canada, you need to review the prior learning assessment process on the CSMLS website. CSMLS, Canadian Society for Medical Laboratory Science. If you want to practice in Canada, go to their website and review their prior learning assessment requirements. So once you get there, gather all your documents, fill out everything they ask you to fill, then you undergo the prior learning assessment. During the prior learning assessment stage, you need to write an exam. It's like an open exam. You write the exam. Once you pass, send your document, your transcript from your institution. So they will send it directly to them. All these things, you have to follow it in total. Yes. Once you pass your prior learning assessment and you are eligible, once you've done that and they see, okay, you are fit, eligible to sit for the exam to be qualified as a medical laboratory technologist to work in Canada, that is when you can now say, okay, I have to go. Unfortunately or fortunately, or any way you want to put it, you have to go to Canada to write the exam. It's not like Australia. If you want to know about Australia, I've made a video about it. You can go there and watch. So you have to go to Canada to write the exam. Once you are done with you are fit to write the exam, get a visiting visa. I think you can get for 6 months. I'm not too sure. Then you will go to Canada, go for your visa application, interview, or whatever it is. Once you have all your documents, your invite for your exam, your accommodation booking, everything, requirements, fund in your account, prove that you're coming back, just go to the Canadian embassy, apply for your visiting visa. They will grant you, because you've already been invited to write the exam. Then when you get to Canada, you write your exam. So this examination stage is very crucial. What I'll tell you is that I know a legit source that helped Nigerians. Yes, I'm so sorry if this come across to you in any way, but the person helped Nigerians, which is of course for a token. It's not free. I'm so sorry, because the person is putting out their time out there. So if you are ready If you're sure that you've passed your prior learning assessment stage, then you can contact the person. You've gotten your invite to write the exam, or you just passed your prior learning assessment, then you can contact me. So I'll link you up with the person. Please, only serious people, not the people that have not even started the process at all. That's why I'm taking my time to make this video, so that you know what to do before you write the exam. So if you are serious about it, then let me know, so I'll link you up with the person who can put you through, tutor you, and you pass at first. Yes, first sitting. I can guarantee that, because the person has gone through this process. Then when you get your invite, you then go to Canada, write your exam. Once you sit for the exam and you pass the exam, then you can start job hunting before your visa even expire. You can do that. Let's assume you get the job immediately, or maybe you decide to come back to your country, get a job you'll be able to apply for. You don't necessarily need to stay in the country above the time that you've been permitted. It's a visiting visa. Remember, don't jeopardize your chances. So write your exam, passing that exam is in. Then one of the important stage, which is the prior learning assessment stage. To know how to get past through the process, you have to have your document, the right document. You have to, gather all your documents and give them. I think you need to send hard copy. Unlike some countries, everything is online. Not all their application is online. You have to send some hard copy to them. So you have to make sure you go through all the department. If you've not gone through all the department before, they might say, okay, you've not passed the prior learning assessment, then you need to do. So if you did not pass the prior learning assessment, then you'll be asked to complete the full accredited Canada medical laboratory program. They will be the one to know which top up you need to do to be able to be fit to sit for the exam, before you can sit for the exam. So this is for those that did not pass the prior learning assessment. So after that, remember, you need to pay for some of this process. Prior learning assessment, you need to pay for it. Doing the program, you need to pay as well, and also sitting for the exam. So not everything is free. So you have to, once you've gotten to that stage, and you'll be able to do those top-ups. When you do those top-ups, then you'll be deemed fit to write the exam. You can then travel down, write your exam, search for a job. When you get a job, then you go and work. So that is how it goes. Then if you don't want to pass through this route, you still need to do your prior learning assessment, and you can stay in the pool that, okay, you've been assessed, you've gotten an invite to write or something. But I would say, if you pass your prior learning PLA, you just go for the exam. Go for the exam before you enter the pool, or you can be in the pool safe and go for the exam, or join. It's like you are doing two things at the same time, which is good. So guys, if you've gotten to this, then once you're done with that, you'll be registered with CSMLS, and that will be it for you. You will be ready to practice as a medical laboratory technologist or technician, or whichever one it is, over the medical laboratory technology. So if you're a medical laboratory technologist currently practicing in Canada, and you have contrary opinion, or you have suggestion or addition to what I've said, please kindly drop it in the comment section, because somebody will benefit from whatever you drop in the comment section. Thank you guys so much. And thank you guys so much. And please do not forget that in whatever you do, determination is very important. You cannot relent. This life is all about risk. If you are ready to take the risk, and then you are good to go. Yes. So that is the process for Canada, practicing as a medical laboratory technologist in Canada. The CSMLS is the go-to, is our professional body over there. So yeah, thank you guys. If you watched this video to this point, please subscribe. The option is free. Like, share, drop a comment in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much. And if you're ready for your examination, as I said earlier in the video, someone that put people through that I know the person. If you've passed your prior learning assessment, do let me know. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Hi lovelies, now that you've gotten to the end of this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below. It is totally free. Thank you guys so much. Bye.